Surface size is 2, 50 mm, x 1, 25 mm. Standard size mounting hole 1. 41, 36 mm, x 0. 86, 22 mm. This is the standard size of most switch holes in modern vehicles. Introductions. 1.2 Port District of Columbia 5V3. 1A USB socket charger. Input 12-30 volts. 2. This is a great quality USB charger, very reliable range of 12V power sockets, outlets. 3. Suitable for interior or exterior use. 4. Great for the boats or outdoor use due to waterproof cover. 5. Works great as a replacement or extra 12 volts DC dual USB charger in cars, motorhomes, motorbikes and RV. Specification. 2-port USB socket. Power input. District of Columbia 12V to 30V. USB socket power output. District of Columbia 5V3. 1A. Compatible. As a replacement or extra 12 volts DC dual USB charger in cars, motorhomes, motorbikes and RV. Compatible with popular mobile devices USB 2.0. Any device including digital cameras, PDAs, mobile phones and USB accessories. Top reviews from the United States. Great charger for the money. Bought this USB charger on April 2016 and just got around to installing it inside the center console of a 2001 Jeep Cherokee. The inner shell of the center console is held by 6 screws, including 2 screws holding the armrest, so I removed the shell, made the cutout with an utility knife, inserted the switch and use RTV on the backside to ensure the charger will stay in place. I soldered the wires to the charger to ensure a positive contact. I ran the wires under the center console and behind the DVD system, which I had installed back in 2016, and hooked up the charger's power wire to the radio's accessory wire and negative wire to the radio's ground wire.